he somehow managed to make a double.
All right.
Stop him. Wait,
Excuse me, get out of the way, please.
Yes. Thank you.
Yo, let's go.
Great.
Him? Let's go. Come with me. Let's go. What are you doing?
Thank you.
What are you doing? Let's go.
I'm doing nothing.
Get off the bridge. Let's go. You don't listen to people? Is that your problem? Come on, let's go.
Look,
keep walking.
Look, wait.
Listen.
Wait.
We get to the end, we
Wait.
talk, all right?
Okay.
Let's go.
Can I talk?
No, you walk at the end. Talk, walk now, we talk later. What's you got? You got a problem listening to people?
I'm
Keep
listening
going.
to
Keep
people.
walking. Let's go. If they tell you you're not flying, you're not flying.
Why not?
Yeah.
They are
It's their right. Come on, keep going.
They are racist.
Okay, well,
They are
that's with them.
racist. They are racist. And I am
Come on,
wrong.
keep walking.
I'm wrong.
Keep walking.
They are racist. And I'm wrong.
If they tell you you're not flying, you're not flying. So you have to listen to them. How about that?
I'm
Let's
listening
go.
you.
Keep walking.
I'm listening to the cops. I'm listening you, the police.
Well, you gotta listen to them too.
No, I don't have to listen to
Yeah,
them.
you do.
Because they
Yeah,
are
you do,
racist.
buddy. Come on, let's go.
Come on, man. Don't worry. Please. Move. No violence, all right?
Listen.
Don't make us be violent.
If they're telling you not to go on the plane, why don't you listen to them if they tell you that?
It's not up to you. It's up to them.
So they are racist and I'm wrong.
You're gonna sit over here and we're gonna have a nice long chat. That's what's gonna happen. Come sit over here. You have your ID?
What's wrong, sir?
Listen to you. You got your license?
Wrong, sir?
You got your
Yes,
license?
it's true. I was.
Okay,
I
he
was
just asked for your
vacation.
license.
So it's really necessary?
If
Yes.
they tell you you're not flying, you're not
It means
flying.
you're not going to fly.
I'll tell you, her.
I don't know what happened between him and her.
He tried me. He screamed me.
Whatever the
I'll
situation
tell
was
her.
between him and
What
her.
you gonna do? She
I was
said, "Tell
over
me nothing."
here.
That's what
At gate
happened.
82, he came over this screaming.
Why are
Right here, you can already feel the tension building. The officers are giving clear, simple instructions: walk now, talk later. And that matters. In high-pressure moments, clarity reduces chaos, but the passenger is still trying to argue his case in the middle of movement. That's the first mistake. When emotions rise, timing becomes everything. If you talk at the wrong moment, even a valid point gets ignored. Sometimes, the smartest move isn't to win the argument, it's to wait for the right moment to be heard.
Screaming for no reason. I had no idea what happened.
I was
The captain was here at the gate. The captain heard him screaming, threatening, and the captain said he doesn't want him on the flight. So we boarded the flight. We told him, you're not allowed, we can't let you on the
He was
flight.
supposed to go at 82.
No, he was supposed to go here, but I was working at 82.
Okay.
So the captain heard him screaming at me and screaming at him, and the captain said he doesn't want him on the flight.
She's telling me I discriminate her.
Just relax.
I have been
I didn't say
discriminated.
you discriminated me.
What? I discriminate to you?
Why are you being so loud?
I have been
Why
discriminated,
are you
man.
being so loud?
We're
not deaf.
I'm completely.
We're trying to help you. We're trying to help them.
When you
Would you
Sir,
please
if
relax?
you want to help me, I need to take this plane.
You're not going to get on that plane. You're not flying on that
Why?
plane.
and
You're just
honestly,
not.
after this, they're
So
probably
you
not going to
wanna-
let you
You're
fly
not
at
going to
all.
fly on a plane.
you're not
They told
having-
you no, no means no.
That's the rule.
No means no.
Sir,
They run the
I
show.
passed through the security.
It doesn't matter.
I did everything. I did
matter.
nothing
It doesn't
wrong,
matter.
right?
It's
I
the
did
airline.
nothing
If they
wrong.
want to tell you not to fly, they can say it. It's their right.
No means no. Where's your ID at?
I need a translator, sir.
I'm sorry?
I need a translator.
Okay, a translator?
Yeah.
Licencia, por favor.
I need
You speak Spanish?
I need a translator,
You
please.
you speak Spanish?
I can talk with translation, with a lawyer.
You're hilarious. You listen to yourself.
What you telling to
something else,
me?
man.
They discriminate me.
No. They told you no, you're not going to fly. That
So
means
why they
no?
why
They
they
don't
can
have
fly?
to have a reason.
They
That's
don't
a
have-
private.
they don't need
It's
a
a private
reason?
company. No.
No,
It's
they don't
They can tell you
discrimination.
anybody they want.
This is a kind of discrimination.
Well, I'm not here for that.
It's
I'm here because they
discrimination.
told you
If
no.
you
And you
say
said
no,
I'm here because they told you no, and no means no. Do you understand? No means no. It doesn't mean maybe. It doesn't mean it's up to you, because it's not up to you. It's not up to you. It's a private business. They said no. That means no.
You have
That's
your
what it
license.
means.
Your license.
I'm going to get a
Boarding
translator
pass.
over here. I'm going
You
to
have
get a
a boarding
translator over
pass?
here,
What
okay?
about boarding pass?
Licencia, por favor. If he asks you that, we're going to have a problem.
I don't have a
Oh, I'm going to have a problem. I'm going to tell you. Yeah.
Hey.
Nothing.
It's pretty bad for you right now, and
You're
you're
being
making
ridiculous.
it worse. It's bad for you now, and you're making
Why are
it
you
worse.
so rude to me?
I'm not rude to you. I asked you a
You're
question. Give me your
ridiculous.
license.
What I am?
You're like a
boarding
2-year-old
pass?
kid.
You have your boarding pass?
Why am I?
I don't know why.
License or boarding pass?
Need a translator and I need.
Translator's not going to help you.
So what happened?
The passenger originally came up to me after I was still working in Philadelphia. We were delayed 4.5 hours, and I was trying to get him out of here. He came up to me, approached me here, and started yelling at me immediately that he was demanding I help him immediately. And I said, "Hey man, I'll try to help you, but I gotta see my Philadelphia passengers out first." And once I said that, he started screaming at me, saying, "I demand help right now." And then I told him, "You need to respect me, you need to be quiet, and once I'm done with this fight, I'll come help you." I had to walk away from him at that point. Came back up here, he wasn't available to me, but I got called by my colleague that he had approached her, screaming at her, and with this camera recording her. And then I went to go meet a plane, and he ran up to me to take a video or photo of me. I asked him not to, and he said, "Sir, if you keep this up, we're going to have to not allow you to fly with American Airlines." And then during the initial boarding, I stood behind my boarding agent to monitor and tell him I wanted him to step to the side. So I said, "Sir," and he stepped to the side. "You're not going to be able to fly with us today." And he persisted to try to scan his boarding pass, so I put my hand on the scanner, and then I tried to turn it to the side, and then he tried to have passengers come around him. He was still, when I did that, I physically got hit on my hand, because he was trying to access the scanner with my hand over it. He never did scan his boarding pass, but then he just went on down. And at that point, I figured I should get ahead of him and shut my secure door. And when I went to lock the door, and I tried to shut the door, he ran through my arm, and I was still kind of feeling the numbness in my fingers. So he actually physically hit me.
Do you want to press charges? You want to press charges for battery?
I think I do.
Okay, we can do that.
I don't know why this.
You have a clear problem with listening.
I'm on vacation,
You have a
sir.
very clear problem with listening.
I'm on vacation.
Okay, so what?
I'm not here to get a problem.
Well, you already are a problem, clearly. Why am I here talking to you? Let me see your boarding pass or your license.
I'm waiting.
You can wait all you want. It's not going to change anything.
You're making this a
You're
lot
like a 2-year-old.
worse and a lot.
This is where the emotional shift happens. The word racist enters the conversation, and now it's no longer just about boarding a plane, it's about identity and perceived injustice. And look, that feeling may be real to him, but once emotion takes over, logic starts fading. You've felt this too. When something feels unfair, your brain stops asking what's smart and starts asking what's right now. That shift is dangerous because reacting emotionally in a controlled environment almost always leads to losing control of the outcome.
A lot harder than you have
Like a 2-year-old. 2-year-old baby.
Why are you still telling me this?
Because you're acting like a baby.
I'm like a baby. What I did?
You think you're going to just walk onto the plane after they told you no. That's like a 2-year-old.
Why did we?
They
They
said
can,
no.
they can say whatever they
I say,
want.
I say them. Call the cops.
No means
because
no.
I need to get out.
You're
No,
not.
you're not going on the plane.
You're not flying
You
today,
missed that
man.
flight.
Okay, thank you very much.
No, not thank you very
You're
much.
done.
Thank you.
You're
Everybody
welcome.
saw.
You're welcome. We're here to help you.
Everybody saw what.
We're here to help you.
So he's going to go for battery. He hit him trying to get down to the gate.
Perfect.
So,
All right, stand up, put your hands behind your back.
What?
You're being arrested for battery. Stand up and put your hands behind your back.
What's happened, sir?
You're being arrested for battery.
What's happened, sir?
Let's take this off.
Okay.
Here, let's take it off. Let's take it off.
Put your hand behind your back.
Let's take this back.
Don't put your hand behind your back.
Take it off real quick.
Your hand behind your back. That's all you got to do.
I got it. I got this.
I got your phone.
She's broken my arm.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'll put this.
Okay, stop.
Okay, I just want to take
Okay,
my.
this is what's going to happen.
my,
You're going to
my
go to the
bag.
ground.
I just want to. I don't. I just put it here. All right?
You have to put your hand behind your back.
I got it. Sorry. You're not
Okay,
listening.
okay.
No, it's not okay.
Okay, what do you want?
Hands behind your back.
I'm in the ground, man. You sure are.
Put your hand behind your back. Stop resisting and put your hand behind your back.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, sir. Help me! 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 Help me!
We're okay.
Help me!
We're okay.
Help me!
We're okay.
Oh, man, what are you doing, man? I'm on vacation, man. What are you doing, man?
We have a very hard time.
Okay. I'm releasing you when I ask you for no violence. Alright? Wait, it's too tight. It's too tight. It's too tight. Help me. Somebody help me. It's too tight.
Okay,
Too
relax.
tight.
Stop yelling.
Ah!
Move your hands.
Ah! Ah! It's too tight. Ah!
Wait a minute, I can fix it.
Stop
Hold
moving.
still.
Help me.
Still.
Oh!
You see, got it again?
Camera is
You double
catching
locked it?
everything, man.
No,
Camera is catching everything. What are you doing, man?
I'm trying to
I'm
fix
not
it.
one of violence, right? I asked for a lawyer. I asked for a lawyer, just that.
Stop yelling.
I asked for a lawyer.
Stop
I
yelling.
can't fix it while you're
Why are
yelling.
you doing this, sir?
I can't get to it.
We should
Oh,
stand them up.
it's
really.
too,
You wanna
it's
stand
too
up?
tight, man. What are you doing? It's too
There
tight.
you go.
Ah!
It's good. It's good. Now you gonna stand up or what? Stop yelling.
Ah! Help me!
You're getting arrested, man. Stop making it a big deal.
Why am I arrested, man? Why am I arrested? I did nothing,
double lock
man.
it.
You are a crazy guy. You look like television. You are like television. Can I get my phone and put in my bag, please?
No.
Just that.
No.
Just that's what I'm asking for.
Sure, you need to stop resisting. You're still
I'm
resisting.
not resisting,
Oh, yes,
man.
you are.
I said no violence. I
Yes, you
just want to take my phone and put in my bag, please, sir.
Walk that way.
What are you doing? My bag, my
You're being
bag.
searched.
I've been researching all the time here. What is it? Put my phone in the bag, please. I will lost it. So you are the officer. Why you did that?
You're not listening. You're having a very hard time listening.
But I'm not listening, sir. I'm listening all the time.
You resisted the entire time.
I don't resist. I just
now you
want
gotta
to take
resist
it up
with
the phone
violence now.
and put it in the
See my
bag.
hand? That's from you.
Walk that way.
Hey, sir.
Stop yelling. Stop.
What did you
Grow
say
up.
to hurt them?
Come on.
You really are.
Who's my victim?
To do the job of the society, man.
This is the turning point. Up until now, this was just a verbal conflict, but the moment he pushes past physical boundaries, touching staff, trying to force his way through, it becomes something else entirely. A legal issue. Battery. And notice how fast it escalates. One decision changes everything. This is the line most people don't see until it's too late. Once you cross from words into actions, you're no longer debating, you're risking consequences that don't go away.
All you were gonna do is get rebooked, and you made it completely worse.
They get what they want. Just that.
No, then no one wanted this, buddy.
I told you couldn't go on, and you thought you could just get right on it. That's what's really dumb.
I say follow the cop.
It's like a 2-year-old.
I say just follow the
You don't
cop.
call the shots.
The cop.
They do.
Yeah,
They're the
I
boss.
told them.
They're the
My man,
boss.
they could tell anyone not to fly. They could tell me if they don't want me to fly, all right?
just don't get it.
I just would like to know what they tell you guys.
You don't get to ask us questions if you ask for a lawyer. You're done.
Because
Okay? Because you're done.
so severe attitude.
Just one person?
Sarge.
Just one person? Okay.
Okay, you can. I don't go anywhere, man. Okay, you can let me. It's
You don't like it?
unnecessary. I don't go anywhere.
You resisted up until 2
I
seconds
don't
ago.
resist, sir.
I'm sure you did.
Well, first not the camera.
You know what no
says it.
means? No means
The
no.
camera says
No means
everything.
no. Oh, it's all on here. Absolutely.
Yes,
You're
sir.
right.
I did resist.
When did you go to court?
When he said,
No more
come
questions.
on,
You
come on
asked
out, I get
Buddy,
it.
I say
Get
put your
out.
hands behind your back. It doesn't mean you start reaching for stuff.
No.
When you say put your hands behind your back, is that what that means? Does that
Yes,
mean
sir.
you start reaching
I
for
was
stuff?
just trying
It
to,
was fine.
to put
You
the
didn't have to
phone
do it, all right?
on my bag, just that. I just want to know what I may have been accused. Just that.
You touched him.
Lady, could you tell me what I done?
Battery.
Battery?
Battery.
Battery. What is it?
Means you touched somebody that you shouldn't have.
I touch somebody,
Yes, sir.
so I didn't,
I mean,
right? And the camera will
Yeah,
show
I mean-
it.
Yes, sir.
I can go with you and do the ECRA. I need info. That's all. So I don't know how you want to do it.
So I should watch what you're doing. You are messing my things, and I
mind your business.
not in my presence. Not in my presence.
Want to go on the other side?
You should mess my things in my
There's somebody
presence.
on the other
The
side.
camera is
They're moving right
filming. All right.
Everything's
all
on
video.
camera. Everything's on camera. Look, his camera is on,
You
buddy.
need to mess my things in my presence.
I don't have
You don't need to.
Come on.
You don't.
Everything's recorded.
This just with a warning. You have a warning. You have a warning.
I don't need one. You're arrested.
Okay, you don't need.
All right, we're going the other side. We're going in the car, all right?
Okay.
Everything's recorded, my friend. Everything.
I'm
The
afraid.
whole encounter.
I will weigh you all the time.
My man,
Could you
you're
take it off
No, we're not taking it off. You have to ride with
in
it.
the front?
Nope. You want to go the other side and put this on?
Yeah. No.
Now he's on the ground, still trying to explain, still reaching, still talking. But here's the reality. Once officers give a command like hands behind your back, there's no negotiation left. Compliance has to be immediate and complete. Partial compliance feels like resistance to them, and that's where people get into deeper trouble without realizing it. In moments like this, it's not about proving your point, it's about preventing the situation from getting worse. Control your body first, then deal with everything else later.